it's a worrying one. Shocking remarks by a UP BJP MLA who asked for a boycott of Muslim vendors and then went on to make some particularly objectionable comments about them. And when asked specifically about this, he stood by his statements. Let's in fact listen to them first.
और एक चीज ध्यान में रखिए आप लोगों को, मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ ओपन में, कोई भी मियाँ के यहाँ से सब्जी नहीं लेना।
17-18 तारीख के लगभग हम अपने क्षेत्र में गए थे। क्षेत्र में जाकर नगर पालिका में गए। नगर पालिका में कुछ 10-12 लोग थे। बातचीत होने लगा इसी पर, लॉकडाउन के ऊपर। तो हमारे पास समस्या आई जनता का कि सर लोग जो सब्जी वब्जी बेच रहे हैं, मियाँ लोग वो थूक लगा दे रहे हैं, थूक दे रहे हैं और वैसा बेचते हैं। तो मैंने कहा कि ये तो दूसरा, उसमें हम कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे, लेकिन एक है कि आप उन लोगों से सब्जी मत लो। सब्जी नहीं खरीदेंगे, अपने हाथ में है, तो आप कोरोना से बचेंगे। जब जनता मेरे से पूछ रही है कि क्या किया जाए, तो क्या बोले एक विधायक, क्या बोले? इसी को इतना बड़ा बवाला बना रहे हैं लोग। और ओवैसी हिंदुओं को इतने टार्चर, गाली देते, क्या क्या बोलते हैं, उस पर कोई विचार नहीं करता है। और एक विधायक अपने जनता को खाली बोल दिया कि उन लोगों से सब्जी मत लो, तो इस बात पर इतना बड़ा बवाला।
Alok Pandey joining us with more on that as well. Alok, we've heard repeated statements from the BJP's top leadership, including Prime Minister Modi, about not to give the fight against COVID-19 a communal colour. Is the message simply not percolating down to all party workers?
Not only that, Ankita, I'd also like to talk to you about what happens when public figures like this BJP MLA tend to amplify what clearly are rumors and baseless allegations. Just yesterday, there was an instance in Lakhimpur, which is a town around 150 kilometers from Lucknow, towards Nepal or towards Pilibhit. And there was a Muslim fruit vendor there, and he was taking his watermelons to sell them in a locality. And suddenly, you know, Ankita, all of these people got together and they started accusing him that he was spitting on those fruits before he was selling them to people. Now, there are some really sad and shocking visuals that have been sent to us by a reporter there. And they show the man literally, you know, folding his hands and asking the people कि भाई मुझे माफ कर दो और मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है और मुझे जाने दो. And then there are these people who surround him. And ultimately, the police had to go in there and they rescued him. And they carried out an inquiry and they have given a clear statement saying that this man had done nothing wrong. He was not spitting on the fruits that he was selling, and that these rumors have to not be believed. I mean, you can't believe these rumors and do things like these. But when a public representative, a man who holds the office of a lawmaker, chooses to not only make a statement, but also to justify it in the manner that he is doing, then really you can only hope that somebody can take action against that person, or at least that people will not believe what they are saying. But unfortunately, when you have such a person at a responsible post saying this, then many people tend to believe it. And that is the unfortunate and shocking bit in the situation.